Hello everyone. If your YouTube Vanced is not working properly, you are in the right place to solve that problem. Here I will show you several procedures that solve most of the problems with the YouTube Vanced application. If you fail to verify your Google account within the Vanced application, then that may be the reason why your application don't work properly. So, to solve the problem, you can log out from your Google account and then log in back in. Follow these steps. Open Settings. Find Users and Accounts. Click Vanced. Click on your account name and then click on Remove button on the bottom left corner. Confirm your choice. After that, log into your account again. Click Add Account. Find Vanced Micro G. Click Sign In. After that, input your email address and password. Try Vanced application. If it doesn't work, try second method. Second method is to clear application cache. Go to Settings. Find Apps option. Go again to Apps. Scroll down and find YouTube Vanced. Go to Storage and click on Clear Cache. Try Vanced application again. If it doesn't work, try third method. The third method includes updating the application and uninstalling and reinstalling the application. Find your YouTube Vanced Manager application. Click on YouTube Vanced. At the right side, you will see a little arrow. That's option for update your application. You can choose theme and also choose the version of application which you want to install. Choose latest version and click Save. Also, you have option for changing the language if you need. If either this won't work, click on Trash button and uninstall application and install it again. Note that the procedures used may differ depending on the version of the operating system and the version of the UI. If you have another problem or solution, write it in the comment section down below. Like, share, and subscribe if this helped you.